Hello, I'm Dr. D. Since you learned difference between force, individual push/pull, and net force, total combined effect of all forces, we have a great starting point today.
Can you explain the difference between balanced and unbalanced forces with real life examples?
Let's get to the core concept. Balanced forces are equal in size and opposite in direction. So they cancel each other out and don't change an object's motion. Unbalanced forces, on the other hand, don't cancel out, causing the object to accelerate or change its motion. The why behind the what is crucial here. Motion changes only when the total force isn't zero.
Can you give a problem statement?
Absolutely, every problem is a puzzle waiting to be solved. Here's a practical scenario for you. Imagine two people are pushing a box from opposite sides. One with a force of 20 newtons to the right and the other with a force of 15 newtons to the left. Let's find out if the forces on the box are balanced or unbalanced and predict what will happen to the box.
क्या आप मुझे इसका आंसर बता सकते हैं?
चलो इस सवाल को हल करते हैं। दाएं तरफ 20 न्यूटन और बाएं तरफ 15 न्यूटन की ताकत लग रही है। दोनों ताकतें बराबर नहीं हैं, इसलिए ये अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस हैं और बॉक्स दाएं की तरफ मूव करेगा। क्या आप चाहेंगे कि मैं इसकी गणना करके डिटेल में समझाऊं?
Yes.
Let's analyze the forces step by step. To find out whether the forces are balanced or unbalanced, we calculate the net force by subtracting the smaller force from the larger one and keeping the direction of the larger force. Don't just solve it, understand it deeply. Clarity is your greatest weapon in competitive exams.